Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get out of power reserve on the Apple Watch. So, today in front of me is the Apple Watch SE first generation, and it doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have, it's going to work the same on the all Apple Watches. So, as you can see right now, there's a little yellow circle on the top of the Apple Watch. This is also the place when the red dot comes when you have a notification. It means that you are in a power reserve mode or a battery saver mode or low power mode. It all means the same. So it means that not the background heart rate is not working, and all the sensors are a little bit, turned off. It depends which sensor, but most of them are just turned off. And to turn the power reserve mode off, you just need to press on the power button, the bottom button on the right side of the Apple Watch, and now click on the battery percentage. And now, as you can see, we have this yellow circle icon, and also the whole battery percentage is yellow, so it means that we are in the low power mode or a battery saver mode. And if you want to turn it off, you just need to click, and that's it. You have just turned off the battery saver mode. So, thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!